Hey guys, it is starrylock Sunday and today I want to try and pick this Wilson Bohannon I got from starrylock. But first, if you haven't checked his channel yet, this is his logo and I will have a link to one of his videos in the description on this very video. Alright, let's quickly take a look at this little bad boy. Focus. Yes, thank you. WB and Honda. Beautiful, beautiful brass lock. The bitting, not too much difference, but let's see. It can open clockwise and counterclockwise. So I will pick it counterclockwise because I don't see many padlocks that opens that way. And I will try to do so in the vise, so I can zoom in on the core. If the camera wants to zoom in, yes it wants to, at least this time. And adjust it. And then I want to move a little bit to the side so I can have my arm here because of the other vise. Alright. Bottom of the keyway tensioner is my go-to, and a short hook from China because that's basically what I have left. Alright guys, let's see. Little click on 1, little click on 2, click on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, a little click on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5, and nothing at 1, a little click on 2, I click on 3, I click on 4, and nothing on 5, 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, a little click on 4, and I click on 5. Nothing on 1, 2, little click on 3, little click on 4, and nothing on 5. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, 5, a little click, and nothing on 1, nothing on 2, click on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, a little click on 2, click on 3, little click on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, click 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. I'm not too sure what is hung up now. Alright, let's reset and try a little different angle. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. Click on 3. Click on 4. Click on 5. Nothing on 1. Click on 2 and we are open. So I must have overset something in the first try. It's so hard to lock up again. Alright guys, that's the starrylock Sunday video for this Sunday. Thanks for watching and have a good day.